In this video, I'll show you how to clear Instagram cache on iPhone. The first thing to know is that iPhone does not give you a simple button inside iOS to clear an individual app's cache the way some Android phones do. On iPhone, the usual way to clear Instagram's stored app data is to delete the app and reinstall it. Apple's support says deleting an app removes its related user data and configuration files from the iPhone. To do that, find the Instagram app on your home screen, press and hold it, then tap Remove App and choose Delete App. After that, go to the App Store and download Instagram again. This is the most common method people use on iPhone when they want to clear Instagram cache and refresh the app's stored data. Apple confirms that deleting an app removes it from the device, and you can download it again later. If your main goal is to free up storage without fully removing all app data, you can also go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and check how much space apps are using. Apple says this area shows storage recommendations and the list of apps using space on your device. Now, if what you really want is to clear Instagram's search history, that's different from clearing cache. Instagram says you can clear recent searches from the app by opening your search history and removing the items there. And if Instagram is acting up, Instagram's own help page also recommends updating the app to the latest version because sometimes that fixes problems without needing anything else. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.